Hi guys, how can you create this color effect in Photoshop? First, open your image. Make sure you have a black background. Now select the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle across the canvas where you want the color effect to appear. Go to Adjustment Layer Solid Color. Choose a red color and press OK. Go to Window Properties. Click on Mask icon. Open Feather Setting. Set Feather Ground. 333.3 pixels. Now duplicate the solid color layer by dragging it to the plus icon. Double-click the duplicate layer color picker. Change the color to blue. Press OK. Now select both color layers while holding Shift. Change the blending mode to color. You can also try overlay or soft light for different results. If the effect looks too strong, simply lower the opacity. And that's it. This is how you can create a simple red and blue color effect in Photoshop.